What if I told you that your Windows PC has a built-in malware removal tool? And it works completely offline. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to download it. You don't have to pay for it. It's just a click and a scan. And most people actually never even heard of this tool. So let me show you real quick. It's called MRT. Super easy to do. And all we're going to start, press the Window key plus R. It's going to bring up the run menu right here on the bottom left. Then once we're here, we're just going to type MRT. Press OK. And then it's going to ask you for user account control. Just click yes on that. And then it's going to be right here actually. So once we get into here, we're just going to press next. And then we're going to get three scan types. We're going to get quick scan, full scan, and customized scan. So this is not alone enough if you're, downloading sketchy stuff. You might still need an antivirus, but if you think you have malware, you could go ahead, run this, and run all the scans. I like to do the full scan when I go to bed because it does take hours. And it's not a main shield, but keep that in mind. Give it a try. Run a full scan before you go to bed, and let me know if you wake up and you have malware. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you learned something, please subscribe, like, comment. I'll be uploading more tutorials. Thank you.